Data types in Python. Python contains int data type which represents integers without a decimal point. Float which represents floating numbers, floating point numbers or real numbers with a decimal point. Complex which represents complex numbers such as z is equal to 2 plus 3j where j is equal to root over minus 1. Bool which stands for boolean values or truth values with true and false answers. str which represents strings or sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. List which represents ordered mutable collection of items enclosed in square brackets. Tuple which represents ordered immutable collection of items in parentheses. Range which represents immutable sequence of numbers commonly used for looping a specific number of times. Dict which represents dictionaries in Python which is represented in curly braces. Set which represents unordered collection of unique mutable items enclosed in curly braces. Frozen set represents unordered collection of unique immutable items. Byte, byte array and memory view and none type. So mainly int, float, complex, bool, string or str, list, tuple, range, dict, set, frozen set, byte, byte array, memory view and none type. Another time I am repeating, Python contains data types int, float. These keywords for data types are reserved in Python. Int, float, complex. Int for integers, float for floating point numbers, complex for complex numbers. Bool for boolean values, str for string values. List to represent any ordered mutable collection of items in square brackets. Tuple to represent ordered immutable collection of items in parentheses. This is immutable. Tuple is immutable and it is represented in parentheses, while list is mutable and it is written in square brackets. Range which represents immutable sequence of numbers commonly used for looping specific number of times. Dict which represents dictionaries in Python. It is also written in curly braces. Set which represents unordered collection of unique mutable items in curly braces. Frozen set represents unordered collection of unique immutable items. Byte, byte array, memory view and none type. In another lecture we will learn these in depth. Thank you for now.